To repair damaged nerves is a mission impossible, as there are some things that can't be done. But this is where the ingredient curcumin comes in. Curcumin has stronger anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties than many other substances, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium combined. One of the best ways to use curcumin for your nerve repair would be to try turmeric face packs on your skin. You can also incorporate turmeric into a smoothie with lime or watermelon, or into oatmeal with chia seeds and coconut oil, which have all been known to aid in nerve healing processes. It is fascinating how curcumin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that make it a great ingredient to treat nerve damage. If there's inflammation in the body, it's beneficial to use curcumin as the active ingredient. If there are oxidants in the system, curcumin helps neutralize those as well and protect against cellular damage, both internally and externally. The antioxidant benefits of turmeric have been known for centuries in Indian Ayurvedic medicine. The spice contains a unique polyphenol called curcumin with potent antioxidant activity. This marvel of nature has been used since the early 2000s to treat everything ranging from pain to cancer, and is commonly found in turmeric rhizomes in our supermarkets. Turmeric has a strong effect on suppressing inflammation and protecting your body from cell damage. Curcumin is one of the main reasons why you can take turmeric regularly and still be healthy. It's not just a spice, but more like a miracle drug for us to benefit from as human beings. If you have issues like joint pain, nausea after treatment for cancer, when it comes to tumor, curcumin does the trick. In a report published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research, curcumin was shown to be effective in preventing cancer and can be taken by people who are at risk of the disease. According to the National Cancer Institute, there have been more than 100 different studies conducted on curcumin and cancer therapy. In some reports, curcumin has been shown to have significant anti-tumor effects, while in others it was ineffective. The discrepancies are due to differences in dosage and types of cancer. Cancer cells are notoriously difficult to kill due to their ability to rapidly replicate, avoid apoptosis, program cell death, and escape immune destruction. Curcumin interferes with all these processes, making it a useful therapy for an array of cancers. This ingredient has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and is one of the greatest natural remedies out there. Curcumin is best known in the treatment of stomach cancer and while helping to prevent colon cancer as well. If you are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, or have back pain, or have any other kind of joint problem, you can use curcumin topically on your skin or internally to reduce inflammation. It's best to mix turmeric with coconut oil and dilute it before applying topically, as it can be pretty irritating on the skin. You can also use curcumin in your shampoos to enhance your hair health. Actually, if you mix coconut oil or olive oil with turmeric, you can add it to your current shampoo and conditioner. You can use it for skin care as well. The raw organic turmeric rhizome is available in most organic markets and health food stores. It's an amazing compound that has a lot of benefits to offer, as mentioned above. If you suffer from digestive issues, then try adding curcumin to your diet every day. It's a basic ingredient that should be added to your diet and health regime in order to improve your quality of life. If you have inflammation issues, then curcumin should be in your diet. What do you think about curcumin? How has it helped you? However, there are many other health benefits of turmeric, including reduced risk of heart disease and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin is also a ring beller enzyme inhibitor, which helps to fight various forms of cancer. It also protects against free radical damage by reducing oxidation that can cause DNA damage and cell death. Turmeric powder is not like the turmeric that you get at the grocery store or in your Indian grocery store. It's a whole food and is much better for your overall health. What else can help you repair some nerve damage? There are other natural supplements that can help relieve some of your pain and keep your body functioning at 100%. But first, it's important to understand what is causing your symptoms. You might not even realize that there's a reason for your sickness and discomfort. Find out the exact cause and take action by treating the underlying root cause. Do you know what's causing your pain? If you have any idea, share it below. If you don't have an idea, then read on and find out what's causing your nerve damage. When diagnosed properly, treating your symptoms can help keep things under control and prevent further damage in the future. This is probably common to everyone, but it's important to properly diagnose any problems that you are experiencing. When trying to figure out what is causing nerve damage, start by considering the possibility of several common problems, such as allergies, medications, vitamin usage, and even certain foods like gluten or dairy. You should then identify the exact cause of your symptoms based on how they affect your body in a different way than other people experience them. Once diagnosed, you can take action by finding natural treatments that will hopefully reduce or eliminate your symptoms. And remember, when something doesn't work as expected, do not hesitate to refer back to the most likely cause. Often the best action is to switch to an entirely different product that is designed to work in a different manner. The best thing you can do for your mouth is to make sure that you are taking good bacteria. That means taking a high-quality probiotic supplement, such as one that has a unique combination of different strains of good bacteria naturally found in the human digestive tract. These are typically gentle enough for all ages, and people can help their digestion by supplementing with them regularly. In addition to not chewing, you may have noticed that you have minor trouble swallowing. That's probably due to another natural symptom of nerve damage: loss of taste. You can avoid this by adding more flavor to your food. Add extra amounts of herbs and spices to your food if you can, and you will find that your food will taste just as good as it did before the nerve damage. Another alternative is adding raw garlic or ginger root extract, the same one used for arthritis, added to foods regularly. This way, you know that your stomach doesn't have any problems digesting the extra ingredients either. This way you can retain good health despite having some nerve damage in the mouth or throat area. Is any of this related to your other symptoms? For example, you may have some pain in the jaw or neck area that is not related to your mouth. It's possible that a bone spur or tumor has developed in the right side of the neck after you had an accident. If so, removing this can help with your other symptoms as well. And these symptoms could also be caused by hyperparathyroidism, overactive parathyroid gland. It's important for people suffering from this disease to get their parathyroids checked by their doctors and start taking proper treatment as soon as possible before more serious problems develop. We hope you're going to take better care of your health with our tips. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.